Marieta nkoro kumasikirubo nchaya mane mpesa ona duka ya nere suneka bonchari suneka town center. So on Sunday yarenge tarehe 24 muntu nabache takero na igorete kegima. Sundays we don't open early, toko igora saa 5 saa 6 gochiabo na igorete saa 5 muntu ina gosoa kegima keraso akandi question aranya kurusi pesa kamutei sawa kamubolire nga gantei 800 kidogo gantei ngaya nebire na atagete 1800 ngamutei sawa irusira ni eribwe ngochie chionsi yam agachaka kurigererie duka around kumba akurigererie bintu ataite kugura lakini sikumsuspect agansabe notebook we kalamu ne chiusi na mafuta yechererani vitu tu weird na funny lakini nkabimwa agante ina chakoro chiria withdraw ite elieta ria korenta Moses omweri akagenda customer chinde chigacha nje ngagendera ne service kawaida konyora bantu mbaracha ninche bie kanarenge duke yetoko baba tatu most of the time. So kidogo na kolde gotumu udumia customer like after 30 minutes igakairana okoirana agacha ne list ye bitabu akangere kerangereri list ye bitabu aganteinge ebitabu ebyo mororere nche nkaenda maiga nkaligereri kacha ne chibe confirm it kiregento aganteingo bibe kamo lakini tindi ko bira boni gango chande kuoi kamotei sawa kama komboringa no bwate 98000 ngamotebie withdraw si akababu no rio ko withdraw tu kumbe pretense yarenge agakore kwende akangererie message because kulikuwa na delay kurubuna acha agete gocha. In fact even the rest of the customers na experience a delay around a minute or two. So naanda agachaka wekwana kwani go keep busy go keep busy go kwana nini but tinchi etigo take a lot of interest because customers wengine walikuwa kerakora nkaganye message ngabaye time koganye message ya mpesa but akangere nande liye simu yae njebono I don't know where my mind went. I always call the admin ko confirm especially big amounts unechu njebono timaitie kikiambere at that moment nkanyora na tubwatire simu eli yae nkalikarende transaction code kerona mobarire chibesa. In fact ntarachi ninkaranza even 1 minute nalikonyora umufanyikazi yaikire ngakura turio kanga uwi na ibeiro immediately nagwakera admin akaconfirm my fears na hiyo pesa hiyo transaction hai exist. Transaction yenye iko agansomera chionsi chiri kwenye na quality ono lende ngasinywe kingokora and I just decided to post on social media unde bwensi ora monyore ante na bako report no police but I went ahead and reported kwa police station na mbagendrete gukora uchunguzi yabo. After na korete post hiyo on social media abantu mbamanyete na ndimba maete mama Wema bookshop most of the people because it has been here over 20 years muna bakero cheiga they were calling my mother kero montaka motenga na inche na iberwa na inche na iberu 60000 onde 50000. In fact ya bande mpesa bere ntete bakaga gototenga walibiwa juzi mwingine hapa juu 10000 mwingine huko 30000. So ni kama ni kitu imekuwa ikifanyika ni vile abantu batali go kama out batebenga baiberu maybe out of stigmatization fearing ayenki kware gokora because even the posts I made on Facebook mbaroga bari komboringa why are you not careful, why are you careless nki kware gokora you know nki utasomerete message but they don't understand when these things find you. No inche na maite gento buneke nkenyore in fact in my life because I've been working here for a very long time. Ebono mpesa tebwati commission nene considering boni kamno bogima bwa kongire bantu mbali gukora transaction unless it's necessary. Bono ne mpesa chiduka chimiga ine gotiro ndeta iyo utabwati mpesa. Bono chi customer chirio konyora sangina bakonyore commission yane gocha per month 4000. In fact kerondi geto monto no embono ntake koliko monto 4000 yechinda amwe because nkorengera lina ki nkorendare bookshop at the same time ebinto birema so mpesa ne yoko mo keep busy. Okay. So mna intubono we will do I don't know 2 years was 3 years was say 4 years I don't know how long it will take us to make that money to chinyore back in form of commission because we have struggled even to get where we are. Na ande mpesa bantu bange bako buganga ni chibese chinecheto it's not our money. sometimes we have linked up with banks bagotoa money chibesa bagotoa tuchokora ritu koko batenga ntaite float ya 100,000 bako at the end of the day kwaira nina interest nke na ekwanyora e commission yao at the end of the day. So bono muno oli bakoibera nga 10 babuga nga bakore kwerende nga gose chine chinke, it's not, most of the time it's not even our money ne litwe commission yeli ntunero toko look at the end of the day bono ukuno koira ni umuntu maega a very